I meet a lot of broke people with great ideas. Mm-hmm. And once you believe in them and encourage them, they turn into something you ain't never knew was, you heard me? And sometimes it don't take money. Sometimes it takes just good energy. Sometimes it takes support. Mm-hmm. Just you believing in somebody else's belief.
Right.
But it's a million people out here with visions. But for me to see a person make their vision come into fruition, for me to see a person want a goal and be goal-oriented and then command it and then make it take effective form, man, it take nuts to do that. It take big balls to do that. It take kahunas to do that.
The first two words in investment is invest in me.
Yes, Lord. And your family not going to always agree with you. The people around you not going to always agree with you. So it's going to take you getting away from people that's not like-minded. So that's the most bravest thing that it is to do, is believe in yourself, because you're going to have to get outside of your element to believe in yourself.
So what now? 4? All right. Yeah, y'all. Let me show y'all this shit. My whole mirror got ripped off on the interstate. I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit more about it, but right now I'm about to get it fixed.
Gasoline off in my cup, gasoline off in we ride. Gasoline off in my cup, gasoline off in we lit. Gasoline off in my cup, gasoline off in we ride. Gasoline off in my cup, gasoline off in we ride. Coming down with the pretty, pretty pain, you know I'm fly. Got a cup so full of that lean, don't blow my
Ooh, them look good. Yeah, so I was going down on I-74 in Illinois, and they had some type of tarps on the side of a bridge, and the wind blew the tarp in my lane, and it just took the windshield. I mean, not the windshield, the mirror. Yep. I couldn't believe it's like a freak accident or something. But yeah, y'all. So once again, that's the mirror right there. And as y'all just heard me explain it to the man what happened, I was literally driving down the interstate. A tarp that was on side of a bridge literally blew into my lane, took my whole mirror, man. Took the whole mirror. Now I'm gonna insert pictures because I didn't take no videos or nothing like that. So, but yeah, then somebody came out and he just put a screw inside of it.
Chillin' with a gangster lean. Shawty, I'm doing my thing, yeah. Coming down so lit, coming through in the whip on tilt. Swinging through with the rim on stilts. In a cup full of liquor I sip. Ain't I turn? Look at the way I'm burnt. Making my way to the limelight and I shine bright. She wanna see what I'm like. In a way that I'm gonna spend my night. Cup on full, wrist on glow. Nigga so geek like a just sniff blow. Go ahead and be a freak, baby, you can tip low. It's just you and me, nobody even gotta know. A pocket full of green and a blunt full of smoke. Gasoline in my lungs and throat. Better let me be, it's a do my thing. Coming down clean, nigga feeling so mean. You know I'm right. Coming down with the pretty, pretty pain, you know I'm fly. Got a cup so full of that lean, don't blow my high. Cause I'm on that gasoline, chillin' with a gangster lean. Shawty, I'm doing my thing, yeah. Now it's on. Now it's on. Shawty, now it's on. Coming down with the chain on glitter, paint on flicker, do your thing, young nigga. Roll my swistle with a pain of liquor. Flow so dope, cocaine, my nigga. Let them in, yo. If I gotta get it in till it in, yo. If it's over, then I never got the memo. You see the way that I'm killing the instrumental? Bet you find me in a fly seat with a fine freak. I never let it all go to waste, man. Like an old head surfing at the bar with his hand out saying, hey, let me get a taste, man. In my old school with the V8 pedal to the metal, hoping that the cops don't chase me. Put my beats up high and I'm feeling so fly. Oh my gosh, you know I ride. Coming down with the pretty, pretty pain, you know I'm fly. Got a cup so full of that lean, don't blow my high. Cause I'm on that gasoline, chillin' with a gangster lean. Shawty, I'm doing my thing,